Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, what is the physiology of cornea? Cornea is actually an avascular structure, dehydrated and transparent structure. Avascular, dehydrated and transparent structure with aerobic metabolism. So transparent. How is it transparent? So what are the factors which are responsible for transparency of the cornea? Epithelium is responsible for transparency of cornea. How is it responsible for transparency of cornea? Epithelium is mainly made up of it is made up of stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelial cells, and thus it is responsible for the transparency of cornea, and it also contains the microvilli. Then we have stroma. In the stroma, actually, so epithelium is made up of stratified squamous non-keratinized cells, resulting in the transparency of cornea, something like this. Okay, and then we have stroma. In the stroma, there is actually regular arrangement of collagen bundles are seen in the stroma. So this regular arrangement of collagen bundles which is seen in the stroma, and this is present as a lattice form, are seen. And these regular arranged collagen bundles are mainly separated by lesser wavelengths. They are separated from each other by wavelength lesser than the light wavelength. So as a result, they are important in maintaining the transparency of the cornea. Then we also have endothelium. Endothelium is the innermost layer is endothelium, and in the endothelium we have one, it is important for barrier function. Second, it also has a pump. So which pump it has? It actually has a sodium potassium ATPase pump is present in the endothelium. Okay, in the endothelium we have sodium potassium ATPase pump is present. So this sodium potassium ATPase pump will make sure that the cornea is in dehydrated and transparent form. Then this endothelium is made up of single layer of polygonal cells. So the endothelium is made up of single layer of polygonal cells, something like this. Okay, it is made up of single layer of polygonal cells, and the cell density of endothelium in younger adults is 3000 cells per cubic millimeter. It is around 3000 cells per millimeter square. Okay, and this endothelium is the most metabolically active layer, is called as endothelium. So it is also responsible for transparency of the cornea. Avascular cornea is also responsible for the transparency of the cornea.
thank you and thank you for watching.